our head ng International Partnerships, Sir Bobby Barreiro. Head of Digital EL4, Sir Jamie Lopez. Our head ng Integrated Sales, Sir August Benitez. Nakita ko rin dito si Mami Jo. Ang Creative Director for ABS-CBN Music, Jonathan Manalo. Ayan, kompleto tayong lahat dito. We'd also like to acknowledge the presence of Star Magic, Star Music, Team Beanie, ABS-CBN Digital, Beanie Weaver, CCM, Internal Audit, HR, Corpcom, Internal Press, and our dear kapamilyas, both on ground, live stream, Studio 10, and Weavers. Ayan. We'd also like to acknowledge, syempre, our sponsors for making this event possible. Bloom's Event Styling, Pick and Click Flowers, Nice Print Photography, Jollibee, Ilios Pride Catering. Also with us, ang head ng news, Miss Frances Tara. Okay. Eto na, malapit na tayo magsimula. Doon sa mga nanonood sa atin live stream, ang ating official hashtag for today is Beanie X Kapamilya Full Bloom. So please use that official hashtag. At Energy Tech tayo dito sa lobby. Kamusta mga kapamilya? Okay, let's get ready. Let's get ready. Tawagin na natin. Unahin natin ang Besties! Ang gagaling itong mga to. Give a warm kapamilya welcome to the Besties! Okay, eto na. I-ready nyo na yung mga sarili nyo. We need that big kapamilya energy. Nandito na sila! Our nation's girl group, Joanna, Sheena, Stacy, Aya, Mika, Colette, Gwen, and Maloy, Beanie! All right, let's have a photo with Beanie. All right. Yes. Okay, photo muna with the girls. Ayan. Okay. Girls, punta lang kayo dito. Ito yung ating background. Itong big congratulations, Beanie, sa ating LED. Ayan, pwesto lang tayo dyan. Hawak ni Joanna ang Billboard Women in Music. I know. Compress na tayo. Let's have a photo first. Yes, yes. Quick photo lang muna. Ayan. Alright, we have official photos na para maganda. And then afterwards, okay, a few more seconds. Alright, let me call in our bosses, Sir Carlos, Sir Mark, Tita Cory. Meron lang pong iaabot si Bini Joanna. Inaabot na ni Joanna ang Billboard Women in Music Award ng Bini. Okay, let's have a photo with our bosses and Bini. Okay, let's move back. Our crew, our photographers. Let's move back a bit para magkasya tayo sa photo. Kapamilya, show some love to Bini! All right! We're now gonna ask Bini to proceed sa Studio 10. Meron tayong program doon. Let's make way. Konting space lang po. Let's go to Studio 10. Bini! 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 All right, let's proceed to Studio 10.
Andito na nga ang Nations Girl Group! Bini!
Ano gagawin muna natin?
Hey girls! Let's go! Ayan, nandito na sila! Check.
All right! Studio 10, please welcome Beanie! Girls, please greet muna everybody.
2, 3. Mabuhay! Your Beanie! Good morning, everyone! Salamat po sa pagising ng maaga.
All right, let's have a seat. Upo muna tayo. All right. Naku, masaya to. Welcome po sa In Full Bloom, ang kapamilya Thanksgiving for Beanie. And siguro pabatiin muna natin isa-isa. Let's begin with Maloy. Please greet everybody.
Hi, kapamilya! Thank you po sa pagising ng maaga. Thank you for spending your time with us. Mag-enjoy lang tayo today! Woo!
Good morning, everyone! Salamat po. Hindi po namin in-expect to. Kanina pa naginip kaya to. Thank you po.
Hello mga kapamilya, maraming salamat sa sobrang bonggang pa-welcome. Woo! Feeling namin nanalo kami ng something sa sobrang grabe yung welcome niyo. Ay! Thank you po!
We love that. Colette.
Opo, maraming salamat po sa pa-welcome. Parang nanalo siguro nga tayo sa past life natin, kaya may ganito. Salamat po, nahihiya po kami. Thank you po.
Colette, kaninong panaginip nga ulit to?
Kay Direk Lauren po ang panaginip na ito.
Thank you, Colette. Mika.
Hi po, I'm Mika. Yun lang, di ba, introduce lang, sabi niyo po.
Mamaya magkakwento si Mika. Sheena.
Hi, everyone! I'm Sheena. Thank you po for coming.
And happy birthday! Yay! Gwen?
Hi guys, thank you so much for coming and thank you for the warm welcome.
Aya.
Hi everyone! We're so happy you guys are here. Thank you so much sa energy nyo kahit umagang-umaga. Yes.
All right. Actually, this is the first time we'll be talking about and sharing yung naging experience nyo sa Coachella, di ba? And I was fortunate to witness and document some of